Hello, welcome back to the next video of Lab 1 Part 3. So we have completed our code. Now in this next part, we need to update our XDC file so that we can use the push button and the switches. So we are going to use the one switch. So I will use here, and here I'll need to use the name of the switch which I am using in my Verilog code. Okay, so this is my switch, and then I need to use the buttons, push buttons. So where are the push button? Push button. I'm already using the reset push button, so I'm going to use the upper and the lower push button. So I'll uncomment these 4 lines. So in my upper one, I'll use it to increment the counter minutes. And lower, I use the decremented. So I think if I checked it on the board, it is L. L stand for left. So I need to use, I can't use this one. It's a left push button. So instead of this one, I should use this one. Okay, so this is the down push button. So this is on the basis 3. So you need to take care of the corresponding connections. So with this, we are done. So now we should generate the bit stream and then verify it. So I'll first run the synthesis. Okay, there is one error because we have given the same instance name to instantiation. So I'll modify it here. I'll run the synthesis. Okay. Okay, so synthesis is complete. We can run the implementation now. Okay, so let's generate a bit stream. Okay, so bit stream is completed. So we'll go to the local folder and this is live, and we'll copy the bit stream in my local desktop from my server desktop, and then we'll dump it on the FPGA. So this is my local desktop. I have the board connected to it, and then I'll program my device. So this is the bit stream which is recently copied. So I'll program it. Okay, so this is the live demo. So here you can see that if I make the switch is equal to 1, I can increment the minutes 1. And now if once the seconds counter reaches the maximum value, you will see that the minute is incremented. Now I can reduce the minutes to desired value. Okay. So using the push button and the switches, you can see that you can have a complete control over how the minutes can be set.